Autodesk AI empowers you to focus on what matters. With AutoCAD's AI automation tools, you can gain significant performance enhancements that give you time back to focus on creating. For designers, momentum matters. Concepts evolve, plans get refined, and every draft carries design intent forward. With Smart Blocks, AutoCAD detects repeated geometry and helps convert it into consistent, reusable elements. For engineers, confidence comes from clarity. Knowing how a change affects loads, systems, and sequencing before it reaches the site. With Autodesk Assistant, engineers can quickly check CAD standards. The question isn't just can it be built, it's will it perform safely, consistently, and to spec. For owners and project leaders, progress isn't about more oversight. It's about shared understanding across teams, timelines, and handoffs. With Markup Import and Markup Assist, feedback from drawings, documents, and the field is interpreted and organized into actionable context. AutoCAD isn't about replacing expertise. It's about reinforcing it, from design to build to operation. It's about providing you with AI that empowers your decisions and lets professionals do their best work together. The future of CAD, powered by Autodesk AI.